Hi guys, so we will be assembling the vanity mirror I bought for Barney. Yung gift ko sa kanya sa Christmas, early gift, using another gift she gave me as well para sa Christmas. So I'll be doing a review of this Hideki cordless drill. So nakalimutan ko yung model niya. So I will be using this to assemble the vanity mirror. So watch out for that, guys. Peace out. So ayun guys, so I've managed to finish the vanity mirror na gift ko kay Barnes, and she also managed to put everything, all of her kikai kits or kikai items on the vanity mirror and in the vanity mirror. As you can see, there's not a lot yet. And so if you check this out, so there are 3 drawers, so it has the same size and same length, and you have a mini stool here so that you can use it so when you try to put your makeup on or fix your hair. And then you have a large drawer here wherein you can put, I think, your mains. So if you have the usual things or the most common things that you use every day. So yan. So I think it's a good buy. It's a recommended buy. Sulit Budol item here. It's sturdy material. It looks classy. It comes with ivory white color. It has other colors, but we managed to selected to choose this color because it's nice. So yeah. Nice. So recommended, guys. If you wanted to buy this, click on the link below. Thank you. Peace out.